Today we're rolling down Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills, California. For those of you who don't know, Rodeo Drive is 3 blocks of high-end fashion and designer labels. Some people come here to catch a glimpse of their favorite stars shopping. Labels like Gucci, Prada, and Louis Vuitton are just a few.
Cause you could have been anywhere. So put on your seatbelts. Yeah.
Fred Hayman was accredited to the start of Rodeo
Cause I'm telling you fools what you don't want to do. You can't defeat me because I'm about to flip that. You know what I wanted to do. Cause I'm telling you fools you can't defeat my crew. I'm about to smash you. Ooh, man, let's get it down. Cause I'm telling you when I can kick it down. Cause you know I got the sound. You better give me my room.
By the 1970s,
you know I hit
it was
you
an
with
area known for its high-end retailers.
Drink on the because I'm about to rip it up like my chickens in the trunk. Bring that beat up, hit the beat up, and put your feet up, and let's wild out like we was in the heat up.
This is how I do, baby, it's just you. My mind is going lazy. Tonight's the night to get the feelings right. Tonight's the night to get the feelings right.
Run it.